How to log out PayPal account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To log out of your PayPal, it is pretty simple. Launch a preferred browser in your device. Once you are in here, make sure that you are logged in into your account. To log out of your PayPal account, it is pretty simple. If you are using a website, at the very top in your dashboard, you will see the logout option. Just click on it. The logout option is a temporary way to log out of your PayPal account. If you want to sign out of your PayPal account for more permanent ways, such as deactivating your PayPal account or disabling it, just click on the setting icon which is present at the top of your screen. Now when you tap on it, you need to head on to the account option. Once you are in your account option, you will find all of your personal detail that is associated with your PayPal account. At the bottom, you will see the option Close Your Account. Tap on the option. You will have to verify yourself by retyping your PayPal password. By this way, you'll be able to log out or sign out of your PayPal account more permanently. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.